Firstly, you'll get something like Steam Datagram Relay Error. It's usually show up after updating the mod. So, the workaround is you need to roll back mod version. Downgrade Seamless COOP to version 177 or earlier. Also create a firewall outbound rule to block eldenring.exe connection. This stops the check that causes the Steam Datagram Relay Error. Also a GitHub project which adds a bat script that blocks internet. Elden Ring launches the COOP launcher, then restores connectivity. Works best for version 177 or earlier. Also, you can right-click the launcher, game mod launcher, and run as an admin. Sometimes permission are the issue. So here's a combined approach. Roll back Seamless COOP to version 177 and place all mod files in ersclauncher.exe in the same folder as eldenring.exe. Copy the patched Steam API 64 DLL file or outline online things replacement if using that. Block Elden Ring in Windows Firewall outbound rules and run the launcher as administrator. Launch the game, then reconnect the internet where applicable, and make sure everyone playing is using the same Elden Ring version and the same mod version, then same COOP password if needed. And also you can do that to install or enable Seamless Co-op and Randomizer mod on Elden Ring. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.